So guys, in today's video, we are going to learn something very important and that is very crucial for all of the newbie bloggers. What exactly is that? So you might have seen that you are getting approval from Amazon.in, right? So you have inserted Amazon.in affiliate link in your article. And what would happen if someone from USA is clicking on that link, right? In that case, you will lose your commission because that link is redirecting only to India. So what is the solution of that? First of all, let me give you the practical demo how it is happening and how you guys can do that. First of all, this is the article and you can see this is the product and everything is there. This is the button. So now I'm going to click on this particular button. Let me click on that. So as soon as I click on that button, you can see that I have landed on Amazon.in. Why? Because I am sitting in India right now. What would happen if someone from USA is clicking on that link, right? If someone from USA is clicking on that link, it should land on Amazon.com. So let's do that. So first of all, I will just change my location. I will go in my VPN, and in my VPN, I am changing my location in the US. So I'm just clicking on US and right now my location is USA, right? Guys, this is just for the simulation. Don't get confused. I am doing just a simulation so that I can show you what would happen if someone sitting in USA is clicking on your affiliate link, right? You don't need any VPN. This is just for the simulation. So I will click on this link. First of all, I will have to reload this page because the script will load. And now if I click on this link, let me click on this. Now you would see that it would land me on Amazon.com. Can you see that? How magically it is doing that? Earlier it was redirecting on Amazon.in. Now if my IP address is USA, it is redirecting me to Amazon.com. And let's change the IP address to Canada. I'll go there and I'll say Canada and let's pick Toronto. So now I am switching my IP address to Toronto. Now you can see that my IP address is in Toronto. Now I will go back to the site. I will reload the site. And now someone from Canada is clicking on your affiliate link. So this is your affiliate link. Let's click on that. Now if someone from Canada would click on that link, he would land on Amazon.ca, which is Amazon Canada, right? This is amazing. This is unbelievable. This is magic, seriously. How is it happening? That is what the topic of today's video is. Today I'm going to teach you how can you do that and how can you earn extra money from the same article. So let's start that. So first of all, for that you need this service which is called geniuslink.com. You can go to this website geniuslink.com and this is very cheap. If you are serious about making the money, if you are serious about creating Amazon affiliate blogs, this investment is like nothing. Let me go in the pricing. It is just $5 per month, which is like a no-brainer deal. Just spend $5 and in $5 you are going to get 2,000 clicks per month. For a newbie, this price is great, right? This is no-brainer. You are getting 2,000 clicks in just $5 per month. So for that, I will log in my account right now. So as soon as I will log in my account, I will have to go in the setup category. And here I would click on the connect your affiliate programs. I will click on that. And here it would ask to connect my affiliate programs. Here you can see that I have connected 4 affiliate programs: Canada Amazon, India Amazon, UK Amazon and US Amazon. And guys, to all of these Amazon accounts, you will have to take the individual approval, which means you will have to take the approval from Amazon.com, Amazon.ca, Amazon.in and Amazon.co.uk, right? So you will have to take the approval from all of the Amazon websites if you want to connect multiple stores in one account. So here I have just connected all of my IDs here. And if you go here in my account, this is my affiliate account. You can see my ID is BlogCage21. Here you can see that BlogCage21 for India. And my US ID is KnowledgeCage20. If I come here, this is my US ID, KnowledgeCage20, and my UK ID, let me show you my UK ID. I'll go here in the one link. And I have connected my UK ID as well as the Canada ID in this account. I will go here, click here in the link. I am just showing this to you. You don't need to do that, right? I'm just showing how it is possible. I will go in my UK account, and here you can see my UK ID is this. If I go here in Canada, you can see my Canada ID is this. So right now I have connected my USA, Canada and UK accounts in one account in my Amazon affiliate account. You don't need to do that, right? So don't get confused. You don't need to do that. Just get the approval from the affiliates, from the different affiliates, right? Once you get the approval, they will give you these IDs, store IDs, or they call it tracking IDs, right? Once you get all these tracking IDs from the respective stores, just come here in the Genius account and you can connect it. How to do that? Just click on add a program, select the country. Let's say you want to connect the Singapore ID, and here just paste your ID and it will automatically pick that ID, right? This is the first step. You need to add all of the stores in your account. Now the second thing is go to the links, and in the links, let's create any link. Let's create any link for Coffee Maker. Coffee Maker, this is the Coffee Maker. Let's pick any coffee maker. Let's pick this one. So this is the coffee maker I'm going to pick right now, and I'm going to remove the unwanted parameters and just copy this. Now this is the product link. I will copy the link. I will come back in my Genius account. I will click on new. I will click on advanced. This is the option you need to select, advanced, right? I'm clicking on that, advanced. And now simply paste your affiliate link here. As soon as you paste it, it will start fetching all of the products from the stores, from the various stores. Now it is fetching. Now you can see that I have inserted just this link, which is Amazon.com link. It has automatically picked the same products link for India, right? It has automatically picked the same product link for Canada, and it has picked the same product link for UK. I think the product is not available in UK right now, so it's showing that search result found for this. That means this product is not available in UK. But in all other countries, this product is available, and this tool has automatically picked that, which is like unbelievable. You just give one link of the product and it is automatically picking all of the affiliate links from all of the stores, right? As soon as you do it, just go there and click on save. Once you do it, once you save it, it will create a link for you. This is the link. Just click on this, copy link. And now, my friend, this is the affiliate link for you, which will do the magic. This link will redirect to the respective stores automatically. Should we do that? Let's do that. If you remember, this link was for Amazon.com, right? If I open this link sitting in India right now, and I can see that my VPN is not connected, which means right now I'm sitting in India. So if I open this link by sitting in India, it will redirect me to the Indian store. You can see it is redirecting me to Amazon.in. So let's change my IP address. Let's change my IP address to Canada. So I'll click here. Now my IP address is Canada. Now let's open the link once again. So now this same link will redirect me to Amazon.ca. You can see that. This is unbelievable. This is magic. This is going to help you, make you a lot of money, a lot of more money, I would say, because now you would get the benefit of all the visitors who are coming from anywhere in the world, because you are redirecting your affiliate link to the respective store, right? So this was the tutorial. This is the site, Genius Link. And I have already taught you how to create the links, how to connect your stores. And once you get your affiliate link, you can simply go in the articles. Let me open any article. Let's open this one, single product. So single product block, simply go there, edit the article, whatever the article you have. And on the button, you can just paste that affiliate link. So this is my button. I'll go in the button setting and I'll just paste that affiliate link here, which is like easy, right? Now if someone would click on this button, it would be automatically redirected to that respective store. So this is how you can do the redirection with this service, which is genius link, right? Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope after watching this video you are now happy because now you can send the people to the respective stores. Thank you for watching.